same story as Damien Bradley's legacy, I suppose, starting the shopping car now.
Yeah, absolutely.
50 horsepower.
500 quid shopping car, yeah. Well, David, at the moment, he's exited part. Alex Coles is 2/3 up the hill heading towards the finish. Very exciting. Alex Coles went up into 61.73. Lizzie Wheeler yet to finish. And so, Lizzie went up into 67.64. She
just put some radical with 101. Always,
these flashing lights, quite popular on the Valpings, but John McQuillan, so 9. Roger Jones is 4th in the class, which is car 33. Hence my confusion earlier. I thought, what's going on here? I don't understand. Anyway, wow.
It's great, but it's fantastic because she's so agile, fantastic. Super agile.
Yeah, took Minnie well up the hill at the moment. What's Robert going to do?
Yeah, Rob's going really well actually.
In second to David. So, Robert.
Kelvin and Alex Goldman sort of should share that.
Cross, 65.86. Richard Morris at 68.66.
God. Sounds about 1 billion RPM. It certainly looks like a handful. Certainly got more power in it's rapid. Gearbox 250 horsepower.
270. Now Alistair Moffat's on his way to you. Just quickly, Steve Loveridge has got to the top there with a 57. The Twingo, you said something about it. Tom Weeks has gone up in a 58.45 according to this. The engine for him, Jim, is working for the environment agency, and he's here with his partner Nikki. They both got Alpha 75. Well, yes, and his partner Nikki's got one. She's here. On the line, we've got Paula Larissa. She's
3.2. So she confirms to me it's the S50 engine, which is the same engine you got here, things like that. Remember that Z3M car? I absolutely love what she's got. Absolutely, so brave.
Just waiting to see this is the lead that's on the line. Just to see if it's four-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. I suspect I want to change the engine on one of those. Yes. Fabulous taking that bit. The What's David Llewellyn's one, right? This is the later one. I have a few years on you. I know David Llewellyn's maniac in a... Ben Carr was even over, man. Maniac. In a Nova, yeah. I think he killed in a road accident on the radio. And he was phenomenally quick. There's a little Nova GT about here. Josh Martin with a 60.25, Alistair Moffat with a 60.78, and Lewis Porto with a class of 60.6. He's got minor price point to go with the TT Quattro, 400 horsepower, four-wheel drive, monster that he bought on eBay a couple of weeks ago. Tim Good went already well across the auction. The car had a look at I'm very interested to see. Just going to punch in, Lloydie, because I've got minor prices. West Street. Mine is a master of the freight. He'll let me down, Ryder. A great driver from Wales, in Wales. I know he's going perfect. So Tim Goodwin is just posting the time of 50. Back in the game, through the finish there, finishes with a time of 57.49 and leading away there. S2 Quattro, followed by Alan Mansfield and Roger Stocks, both in four-wheel drive Yaris's. So I think he probably has got four-wheel drive. Oh, well, then that may be the case.
I don't think it's working. It's got Ford. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Giving his stories and pardon.
Yes.
And if
Yeah.
that's not going to be person,
Well, no, I'm yes, you got to say.
it makes it more impressive.
Has it got a holding system? With you, and we're going to get Stephen Moore leading the line very shortly in the evening. So I think we've got Stephen Moore who's just left the line. That was Hendrik Lindemann in the Honda Civic, but here comes Stephen Moore, on board with Stephen Moore. It's his birthday on Monday. Happy birthday, Stephen. I won't give out the age because I'm not entirely certain he doesn't look very old. But anyway, he can really drive this car, can't he? In this, we call it his mid-range one, his second quickest car, and he's always quick. Very smooth driver, Stephen, doesn't give away. Here he comes now in two. Yeah, and he's so good. Just see the driver's eye view, and here he comes around, and he's just done a 54.69, puts him top of the pops in the four-wheel drive category. 3 seconds quicker than Tim Ford's rear-wheel drive, isn't it? And then Roger Taylor, you love this car, that Mark We got Matthew Miles heading towards the finish. Just looking at the Pardon, then he's going to be followed by the Egger Mark 1.
Really going well, so let's see what that does.
He's 45 miles an hour through the race. Semicircle where